Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video, and today I am replaying Escape the Evil Mom Obby. I'm going to be replaying it. So look, you are playing too much Roblox. Why, Mom? Alright, ignore that please. Oh, I thought I would die. Okay. Oh my god. I have to redo that. No, because it's pretty easy if you ask me. Okay. Be careful when heading into that room. Like, you gotta be careful. This stage is pretty easy. You just gotta avoid the red. Yeah, what I saw in this one video, I just saw that, it had a lot more. Now they just updated it and it's pretty easy. Okay. Okay, I think I remember the order, but I'm going to pause it. The reason I paused it is because I didn't want you guys to cheat and know about it, so I'm just deciding to pause it. Oh. Ew, is that dirt? Ew. Hello. Hello. And I just said hello to them in the chat. That would be so weird. Alright. I'm just gonna wait for... I'll betcha she's waiting for her. Tomorrow, I think today or later, I think I'm might play this with Dalton to show him like how to play it. Oh, I died. Lava will kill you in real life. Yeah, well, I'm just so dumb because everybody knows that already. So stupid. I'm so stupid. Yeah, I do not want to touch the lava. Oh! No! Wait, I think I might have made it. Yes! My hand probably touched the checkpoint. Oh. See, I'm gonna keep my phone and I'm gonna put it right here on the desk. No, I don't want to buy a gravity coil. I think I'd rather jump on the bigger ones. Now, stage 8. Okay. I'm not going to be online a lot, unfortunately, because I'm sometimes taking a break. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm still making Let It Go powers. the last one I made got deleted by YouTube. I don't know why it got deleted. I did not terminate, like, oh, hello, hi. Did I just go into the dead end? I'm leading the right way. Oh my god. This is hurting my eyes. That hurt my eyes. Shiri? He cheated! You have to go over it. And he just tried to jump over it. Alright. Alright, jump down. Oh, another vent. Please don't hurt my eyes. Ew! I completely forgot we were gonna get eaten. I can't even see. Ew, we have been eaten. I like this stage. When you touch the red things, you don't die, which I'm glad, because if you like die, she doesn't. She ate the Bloxy Cola cans. All right. Ew, deadly poop. Whee! Alright. Let's see if we can finish this. Ew, which way do we go? Ew, this is disgusting. Ew, I'm on poop! Okay, nice. You found a leak in the toilet. Wait. There's 2 of him! Go through that mouse hole over there. Alright. The white's hurting my eyes. I haven't played this in so long. But it's hurting my eyes. Ugh. My eyes are burning. The cheese level. 24? I'm on 24? He's right behind me. Yes, I won! You win. Oh my god, she's crying. And she's in a cage. Oh! Oh, hi! Hello. Hello. Down. Yeah. Why am I saying hi to people I don't even know? Or if it's a fan. If it's a fan of my channel, or if you're watching my channel, please consider subscribing if you want. I upload content that, well, I'm just replaying this for you guys. Because I want to. There's nothing bad with replaying this. I just wanted to replay it, and I beat it in like 8 minutes. Subscribe if you want me to play this. Bye.